How to make decisions on your future. Making decisions on your future is understanding that the distance between that which you believe to be tomorrow and the present moment is no distance at all. The present moment is the present moment. There is nothing else. There is no past. There is no future. But in your third dimensional reality, you have the appearance of a past and a future. Your mind creates this illusion. The most powerful thing you can do in the deciding on a potential future is to live that future now in the present moment, is to be that future now in the present moment. You have a creative process within. You know that. Your thoughts, your emotions, your overall feeling place, your energy signature, the dominant ideas that drive your thought patterns. These components are the creative process, and they work seamlessly in unison with each other, building the energy structures that equal the physical manifestations. The more you feed these energy structures, they yield your physical expression. If you cease to feed these energy structures, they will dissolve and no longer exist. If you transform these energy structures in any way, your physical reality will change to mold, to fit, and to be perfect and precise reflections of the energy structures. The energy structures that have been constructed in your financial circumstance is what yields your finances physically, not your job. You have it backwards. You believe in your job and the amount that it pays you. However, that is not the end all of what is possible for you financially. If you believe in wealth and abundance, endless, boundless, ever flooding and flowing into your reality as your experience, you can have any job, but abundance will flow from all directions, unlimited, not limited to your job. You are making it so that your finances are limited to your single job position when it does not have to be. The energy structures that you have constructed that are yielding your relationships in your home with your family, in your life with your partners, at your jobs, in your careers, in your business settings. These relationships do not happen in the moment. The experience of relationship with other human beings, with the creative components, the collaborative components that are appearing as your experience, are the result of the energy structures that have been constructed by you. The joy that you find, the beauty that you find, the frustration that you find, the suffering, the pain that you find in relationship are a result of the energy constructs that you have created. They are equaling. They are consistently yielding your experience in relationship. If you make shifts, changes, or transform these energy structures, your experience in relationships will change. They will still be and shift and mold to be perfect and precise reflections of the energy structures that have been created. Your reality is an energy reality. That which you experience is a reflection of you, a reflection of the energy structures that have been created as a result of the material you are placing into the creative process. There is no future. There is only the present moment. That which you desire to experience, you must be that experience now in your dominant ideas, in your thought processes, in your expression of emotion, in your overall energy signature. Make it a match. It should be a match to the experience of that which you desire. As you express, you are expressing. As you are being, you are expressing. Your attention and your focus must be in the direction of that which you desire. It cannot be on that which you do not desire, or that is what you are creating. It cannot be in reaction to that which you are witnessing outside of yourself, or that is what you are creating. We are here. And it is our goal to support you in the highest of fashions, with the highest of knowledge that we have gained over many, many, many lifetimes, many expressions on many planes of existence, in many dimensions. And as we are here, non-physical, expressing to you that which we have come to know, it is our desire that you might understand this knowledge as you walk physically, as we are able to transmit through this vessel. This is our offering, and we love you very much. Thank you.